created, application created, both are ready. After that, add application in settings.py. Up to here, common normal process only, sir. Open your IDE. Close all these previous project. Our project name. This is the project name, model form project. Open this, open settings. Inside this, you have to add application, that is test app. Done. Next, what to do? What is the next step? Create a form. Sir, first form means once from the form, if you have to insert the data, where it will store in the backend database. And within the database, table is required. If I want to create table means, first of all, what is required? Models. In the last example, that is a normal form, just if it is a normal form, model is not required. That's why in yesterday classes, previous classes, I'm not created any model. But now I have to store the data to the database permanently. That's why model is required. So go to the models.py. Inside how to create model, just Python class only. Class, any name you can give. My class name is student. What is the module name? Models. What is the class name? Model. Model is the class name. I have to take two variables. One is name. Models dot. What is the field? Character. But within the database, compulsory, you have to mention what we have to mention, the parameter max length, sir. I'm given 30 characters. Next field, marks. Models dot marks means integer field. Done. This is my model class. After models, what to do next? Make migrations and migrate. Table will be created. Settings. No. Default database I'm using. That is SQLite 3 we are using. No need to do any settings. If you want any other database, then settings are required. Make migrations and migrate. Make migrations and migrate. How to work with MongoDB. Afternoon class is going on there at 2 o'clock. MongoDB. MySQL Mongo. Present MySQL is started. Next Wednesday. How many days that MongoDB? Total course 15 days. Super. నేను చెప్పాలంటే 1 month 40 days పెట్టింది అది కోర్సు మనకు అంత షార్ట్ పీరియడ్ అవ్వదు సార్ నెక్స్ట్ Completed. అంత షార్ట్ డ్యూరేషన్ అవ్వదు. వాళ్ళు ఇచ్చేది అంతే డ్యూరేషన్, ఆ టైంలో కంప్లీట్ చేయమంటారు. అక్కడ అవుతుంది, మన వల్ల అవదు. మినిమం 40 days ఇస్తే టైము చెప్పొచ్చు అది. సార్ చూడండి, నెక్స్ట్ వన్. గో టు ద కమాండ్ ప్రాంప్ట్ py. In the not model, if you want to put the images from the static files only, you have to take. Hmm. Hmm. Image field. Possible that is also. There is one image field, something is there. File. Image field, something is there. I will check it, okay na? Sir, observe carefully. Py manage.py make migrations. Sir, now idigondi student model created there. After that, we go with migrate. Then table is created. Once tables are ready. Sir, table is ready. How to check that whether the table is available, not available? You have to create a super user and log into there. But once you create super user also, it is not visible because the reason is you are not registered in where admin.py. First you have to register admin, then only it is visible. How to register, class, any class name, student admin. What is the module name? Admin. What is the class? Parent class. Model admin. What is the variable? List underscore display the predefined variable. And which fields you want to display? I have only two fields. One is name, marks. Register this one. How to register, sir? Admin. Admin dot site dot register. Inside, what is our model name? Student. What is your admin name? Student admin. But student is available in test app. Test app dot models import student. Sarvendra? Okay, done. So register this one into admin.py. Oh, yo. So that is the model class. Make migrations. After that, register to the admin page. Use it decorated the admin.register student. Okay. Create the super user. Then check for the table. How migrations are working anta. Prem Sai. Sir, completed. Sir, now create the super user. Check for the table. Table is created successfully because of this make migrations and migrate. And I have to register to the admin panel also registered successfully. Now, how to create super user py manage.py create super user. Now it is asking blank name. It is taken by default. Mail ID, some mail ID have to give. Password Sunny123. Sunny123. Yes. Created. Start the server. Server started. This is the address. Go to the admin panel. Admin. Enter username password. Table is ready. 0 students. Normal manual process is add student. You have to add the student name of the student Sunny and marks you can provide it. But if you want to do the faker module, that is also we did. Now I don't want to add the data. Here I want to add the data. Now I have to give one form to the end user. Two fields. What is the two fields? Name, marks. So one form I can give in. How to create form, you know. Take the form class, take two fields, character field, integer field, and give one button. Yeah, form is ready. Up to now, previous classes, yesterday, day before yesterday, once I enter some name and enter some marks, just I am reading data, printing in the console only. Now, once you click on submit button, directly you can store it into the backend database. Once the data is inserted, how to read the data, you know already, and display to the HTML file, those things you know. Only the new thing is from the form, how to inject the data to the database. That is the concept. For this, you no need to take normal form. Compulsory, you have to take which form? Model form. Model form will take care about everything. Okay. So now table is ready. No data. Go to the here form. .py is not there. Right click on application. New file. What is the file? Forms.py. Sir, inside I want to give and with from Django. Import. What is the module name? Forms. Class. Student form. Inside forms dot. What can I take? Model form. ఎక్కడ Sir, model form taken. What is the first column? Name. Forms dot character field. Okay, done. Next, marks equal to forms dot integer field. Both are ready. Sir, how to store the data? All fields SDM taken one predefined class. What is the class name? Meta class. What is your model name? Your model name is student. But student is available from test app, models, import, student. You have to insert all fields, only some of the fields, all. Only రెండు fields, underscore, all. This is the form class. Same previous form, now both are same only. Only difference is model form I am taken. The class name is, this is only difference. Model form, class name only difference. Remaining everything as it is. Form.seva. That is views, not here. Model form is the parent class, which is responsible to create one form. It is directly stored data to the database. That's why model form I'm taken. If it is a normal form, we have to write the code every time. Fields all equal to means within the form, how many fields are there? Suppose in my form, first field, second field, third field, fourth field, 5, 6. Once you click on submit button, if I want to store all fields data into database, then I can mention all. Sir, all I don't want only 2. Then in the fields, you can give only these 2 fields name. That is the meaning of fields equal to all. That is, I'm telling line number 85, Sainath. In the form, how many fields are there? All fields data will be stored to the database. Where? Compulsory. But within the form, how it will be display labels? That is model related to there, na? For example, here tomorrow I form 10 fields I can require, but only 5 I want to store. Then in the model only 5 fields are there. For displaying 10 fields I want to display to the end user. 5 only I want to store, 5 I don't want to store. But how to display end user? Form is the responsible. Hmm. Hmm. Okay. Line number 82, 83. This one in the form displaying purpose. Fields equal to all means it is also displaying in the form. Okay, sorry. In this case, only 2 are there. It is displaying. If more number of fields I want to display, some fields I want to store to the database. Then what to do? Appudu only model fields only it will be displayed. Extra fields not displayed. That is the predefined class. One meta class is available there. This is the predefined class which is available into forms module, model form. Sir, now once form class is ready, I have to display to the HTML file. Who is responsible? Views.py is the responsible. So take one view, open the view, def student underscore view. The first argument is request. Student form is the class create object. What is this? Form. Send this form to the HTML page. Return, render, first argument request, next test app slash student form dot html comma create dictionary. What is the dictionary? Form with form. One view is ready. For this view, student is not there. From test app dot student form kada. forms, import, student, form will be ready. So whatever is doing is any variable you can use. Sir, here one HTML file is required means you have to take templates, static folder, CSS, all these are common, again, old story, templates. This is the main project. This is the project. Right click, first folder. What is the folder name? Templates. Inside model form, new folder. What it is? Static. So two major folders you can create, static and templates. So many people inside static, they have to create a CSS. Inside CSS, they have to store the images. CSS folder is responsible to take only CSS files. And CSS is taken. Now, inside templates, new folder. What is the folder name? Test app. Check this. CSS is available, test app. Inside test app, one file. That file is HTML file. What is the file name? Student form dot HTML. HTML file will be created there. HTML. Yes, sir. Inside CSS, new file, std.css. Sorry, the architecture, you can take care about this one. So many people here are doing some mistakes. First, external project, static. Inside static CSS. Inside I have to define a CSS file. Same main project, you have to create templates folder. Inside template test app. Inside that you have to create a student form dot HTML file. That is the architecture. Now done. Come to HTML file. Where is that? This one. HTML tag. First line. Curling brace. Percentage. Load. Static, sir. Title. If I want to take bootstrap.com, get bootstrap. Sir, I can observe that so many people, what they are doing is in the all releases, 5 if you are taken in the 5 Jumbotron is they deleted, that settings are not applied. So that's every time I'm taken 4.6 version, that link I'm taken. Because some students they are taking 5 Jumbotron, some styles are not applicable. That is the reason I'm taking 4.6 links are here. I linked it. Okay. Come to the body. This one you know already. Division class. Container class. Inside I have to give h1 tag. I want to display student registration form. Take one URL first of all. Up to here we will run it. Then we will see the next level. Okay. First take the URLs. In URLs, you have to give any URL you have to give std. My view is available. Views dot student view from test app import views. Done total. See the server status first. Server is okay. Now copy the address. Go to the some new browser. std is the URL pattern. Click on enter. Sorry, settings miss అయింది. Settings miss. Template underscore dir equal to base dir slash templates. Next, static underscore dir equal to base dir slash static. This is template dir. You have to provide templates dirs. Second, this is static dir. You have to create one variable. What is that variable name? Static files underscore dirs. Inside you can give. Now go to there. Just you have to refresh. student registration form. But form is not available because of I'm not written complete code in HTML. Sir, inside I want to, what is the tag? Form tag. The method equal to, I'm taken, what is the method? Post method. How form is coming? In the curling braces, you have to define form. Now, refresh. Came. I want to line by line. What we have to do? Dot as underscore p. Come here. Refresh. Now, it is available there. I think one thing is required. What it is? Percentage CSRF underscore token. One button I can require, sir. Input type equal to submit. I have to take the value is register. I want to take this class names. I know that's a direct line taken. Otherwise, I have to copy paste from there. BTN. Sorry, hyphen. Some people are taking as a dot. BTN. BTN hyphen. I have to take warning button type, not primary. Now come to here, refresh. Came button. దీన్ని సెంటర్ చేయండి. Go to here. Align equal to center. Come to here. Alignment is center. వీడు రాలేదు. వాడిని సిఎస్ఎస్ లోంచి పట్టుకొద్దాం. CSS here. Body I have to give. Background yellow. Color equals to red I can provide it. H1 equal to, previously it is not coming center, now it will come text alignment equal to center. Give this link to here. What is the tag? Link tag. In this, give the open close curling brace. Percentage. The first folder static. CSS. std.css. Save this. And you have to now refresh. Student registration form. Sir, now form is ready. My table is also there. Sir, the register warning కనబట్టలేదు కదా. కాదు అక్కడ రేంజరా సక్సెస్ సరే. ఇక్కడే ఉంది కదా ఇది. సక్సెస్ ఏం కలర్ వస్తుంది? ఎల్లో విత్ గ్రీన్ కనబడద్దా? ఓకే సార్, నౌ ఐఎమ్ దేర్. నౌ enter student name Sunny, enter marks 98. Once click on register, the data will be stored to the database or not? Yes. Once clicking on register, go to this, refresh. Aya Gaya. Because it is not saved. The reason is view is the responsible to store. I'm not written any logic in the views, sir. The thing is, form created after submitting, only empty form will be displayed. That's why the field will be empty. Here I have to write the logic. SDM telling now what is the logic? Form dot save. Then it will be saved. Now, sir, this is get request. It will be executed. I have to give if request dot method equal to what is the method? Post method. Then only internal code executed. This form is pointing to the empty form, but this form is pointing to request.post. End user provided data will be holding in this form. Write the if form dot is underscore valid. Minimum validations it is okay. Done. Form dot save. Commit equal to true. Now, just your understandable purpose, I printed record CR inserted into database successfully. Now save this. See the server. Server is ready. Now, no records, zero records. Give the request. By default, it is get request. I'm not getting anything. Only what is the request? Get request. Okay. It is open there. Now, give, give the marks. Sunny 98. Register. Go to here. Refresh. Sunny 98 came available there. But once I clicking on student A, record inserted successfully, but still it is displaying. Okay. I'm thinking that, okay, not inserted. I clicked it, clicked it, clicked it, clicked it. So many times it is inserted there. Okay. Now come to here, refresh. So what I was doing is, once I inserted, I want to clear the fields. That is, I deleted 0. What to do? Go to views, sir. Give this statement where last outside. Because if the request is get request means I'm entering URL, then it is a get request. This total code not executed. One empty form will be displayed to the end user. If your request is get post request and you are entering the name marks, clicking on submit button, then it is a post request. Then this code will be executed. After that also line number 10, 11 executed, not executed. Yes. Then one empty form created. That empty form will be displayed to the end user. So save this. Come to here. By default, it is the get request. Empty form will be displayed. Now I'm entering name Sunny Marks 89 register. Next register Bunny 19 register. Next I'm entering name 97 registered. So how many records you want? The all records will be inserted. Come to here, refresh that. Student name marks are available there. That is by using the model based form, we have to insert the data to the database successfully. So take the first views.py code. Hmm. What is the use of forms.py and what is the use? I want to store the changes permanently to the database. Then I can go with commit equal to true. If you inserted same record twice, no problem. Delete it. I deleted now in admin panel. Same you have to delete. Then we have to give just a primary keys, those type of constraints. But same student compulsory available na within the class with the same name, multiple students are there. Number we have to restricted names not possible because same name having the multiple students. In my classroom, three Katrina types are there, three Sunny Leonis are there. Then ఏదో ఒకటి కావాలి అది. So next Monday morning 7:15, my Python new batch will be started. Python full stack. Next Monday morning 7:15, but not in Amirpet branch. The class is KPHB. ఏమైంది? My batch and faculty name. Where is KBHB? I don't know in KBHB what is there. No, Babu, 11 o'clock class here only. That is only one class I will take there. I can come here only. 11 o'clock class here only. Sir, next one, HTML file that is cannot import name student admin from testapp.models. Hmm. Yeah, I will give my material in the Telegram. I will give the MongoDB material just to practice it. Create super user ki ఇలా వస్తుంది. అంటే if something goes wrong in your project, super user not created. First you have to check your what we can call in project you can check it properly. Then only super user create. If something goes wrong, super user not created. Nasreen, Telegram ID. Already I'm given a Telegram ID. In the chat panel I'm given. Open it Telegram ID. In the chat panel, I forwarded. Data not submitted because every field compulsory, some marks are required because the fields are taken as a required, mandatory. For example, sir, he is asking, I am given name as a Rashmika. I am not given any marks. Is it accepted? No, minimum it is asking field. And a minimum of a mark and you have to give, then register. Then all it will be registered. So minimum validations it is doing. Sir, ఏంటి HTML ఇవ్వలేదు ఇంకా. So this is the HTML code. URLs. Bootstrap you can copy there, man. Why here not required? You go to the getbootstrap.com and take that one. Baba, I will give only questions only. Answers you can trace it. Today morning I uploaded that question. He is asking answer. You can copy the code, write into Python file, execute, you will get the output. I don't know. Maybe after March 15th, they will start NumPy batch. I hope. So that is the way by using the model form, how to insert the data directly to the database. I'm not given any materials. Telegram only questions I'm given. I'm not uploaded any material. Okay, slowly I will upload one by one, one by one. MongoDB, I'm preparing the material. Once it is done, I will give. This site can't be reached. शो कर रहा है Telegram link पे. When will you start REST API? After completion of Django, then REST API. Once you show the link, paths are in HTML file. That even normally you have to link this one. That is the link. Interview questions also I will upload. Okay, na? Python, Django, REST API. Sir, main everyone concentrate at the time of interview. In olden days, everyone asking Python questions only. Nowadays, you go interview. Actually, 1, 2 questions they are asking Python. They are not asking. You can start from reverse onwards. REST API questions main they are asking. After that, Django. Python last just 2, 3 maximum enough. So you can main concentrate on Django and REST API. REST API you can take more concentration because in outside market, so many people they don't know about REST API. If you are expert in REST API, definitely will get the job. Yesterday, one of my student he got the job same Django REST API. Previously, he is working as a mentor in our lab. The name is Sitaram Anukunta. Before your batches, he is working as a mentor into the lab. Sitaram. GitHub, I will tell. GitHub, Python anywhere. AWS, I don't have idea. For full stack Python, NumPy pandas not required. Django REST API mandatory. You have good knowledge on main REST API concentrate, Django, nowadays MongoDB also. E3, if you're expert, definitely will get the job. Python, no one asking the questions. REST API, not fast API. REST API is the best one. Fast API is also there. Yeah, yeah. It is also there. Bit bucket, those are all the version controlling systems. I will tell last chapter deployment time. I will tell all those things. What is Git, GitHub, Bitbucket, all the things, technologies. I don't have idea about AWS. Maximum Angular, all these are not required for in our full stack. Okay. Sir, completed. CSS వద్దులేగాని. Sir, next project is observe next application. With REST is the best one. Without REST, the meaning is sometimes they are asking, do you know any your own framework? At that time, without REST is the best added advantage. You have to tell, without using REST, I implemented my own framework. Like you have to explain my programs, then definitely it is added advantage. But real time we are using with REST only. Without REST, very lengthy code. But how to develop our own framework, we will get idea because of this without REST. So next application is movie project. First, I will execute the old application. Then you will get the clarity. Those things I can implemented. Now, stop this. Clear. Go to the back. CD. Django. 16 November 11 a.m. CD. Movie project. PY. Manage.py. Run server. Sir, my main intention is first I have to copy the URL address, paste it to the browser. I am not mentioned any URL. Okay. Direct URL if I given, then one home page is coming like this. Mahesh movies, up-to-date movies information. So this is the main page. Starting page how to create, you know, one H1 tag, paragraph tag, two anchor tags with buttons. First button is add, second button is list of movies. This thing, you know, simple. Once I need to click on add, some fields are came. Ante one form I displayed. Release date, something release date. Movie name, I'm given something OZ. Hero, I'm given heroine. ఎవరు దానిలో సన్నీ. Rating, add new. Once add movie, added. మరి how to check it? పక్కన ఉంది కదా లిస్ట్ మూవీస్, ఇట్ విల్ బి డిస్ప్లేడ్. ఓజీ ఇదిగోండి, ఇవన్నీ ప్రీవియస్ గా యాడెడ్ మూవీస్. సో లైక్ దట్ దిస్ ఇస్ ద కాన్సెప్ట్ నౌ. సార్ చూడడానికి జస్ట్ 2-3 స్టెప్స్ ఓన్లీ, బట్ రైట్ ద కోడ్ లెంతీ విల్ కమ్. బికాస్ ఫస్ట్ పేజ్ ఇంప్లిమెంటేషన్ వెరీ సింపుల్, దిస్ పేజ్. ఆఫ్టర్ దట్ once you click on this, how to display the form, you know, just now explained how to display form. Once click on add, how to add it. Once it is added, if you want to click on this button, how it is displaying. These things individually we completed already from the previous classes. Now I'm combining all these activities into a single project. That is the main agenda now. So first I have to display this page to the end user. Okay. Now cinema started. Create the project. Stop the server. Go to back. Clear the screen. CD Django 10th February. CD కాదు కదా. Django -admin start project. What is the project name? Movie project. Go to that movie project. py manage.py start app start app test app ఏం చేయాలి నెక్స్ట్ అంతే కదా నెక్స్ట్ add application in settings.py. So go to the ID, close all these things. Close movie here. Expand, open settings. Inside install apps, not it is a test app. So first one, what is required, sir? Models.py is required. One table I can require internally, first of all. Go to the models. Yeah, class. My model name is movie, sir. Module name is models. Class name is model. Done. First field, release date. Second field, movie name. Third one is hero. వస్తారు అందరూ వస్తారు. Heroine. Next rating. This is the my fields. Okay. Release date. Models. Dot. What is the class? Date field, sir. Next models dot character field, sir. Max length. Key argument 20. Hero. Models dot character field. Max length 20. హీరోయిన్ కూడా అంతే కదా, కాపీ పేస్ట్. రేటింగ్ మోడల్స్ డాట్ టు గివ్ టీచర్ ఫీల్డ్. దిస్ is the model class. Every day whatever doing every steps are same only. After that make migrations and migration spelling పోయింది. Register after migration. I have to register. అయిపోయిందా కంప్లీటెడ్? Search on next one. Py manage.py make migrations. Migrations done. Model is ready. Now to do the migrate. Tables are created there. Now create the super user. Py manage.py create super user. Leave blank. Mail ID. Password. Again password. Click on yes. Created. Manage.py run ser server. Server is started, but I didn't register. 1 minute. Go to the admin here. Class movie admin admin dot model admin done. The variable is list underscore display 1 2 3 4 rating heroine hero movie name or date. Done. Register this one. Admin dot site dot register student కాదు కదా movie comma movie admin. Movie is not there. It is available. Test app dot nodals import movie. Done. Admin.py. This is the code. So model ready, table ready. Is it coming table? ఏంటి ఎర్ర ఉందా ఏంటి? లేదు కదా. Admin register movies 0 movies. Next what to do? Form. Why form? First of all, where is the main page? Main page required, not required. Once main page is required, once click on the button ante first you have to display this page. Click on add button, then only you have to display the form. Directly form it is not coming. First main page I want to display. Who is displayed that main page? View. In the view you have to write function, small function. In that you have to render one HTML file. Create a small function in views.py. Completed. Take the function in the views. views.py. Here won't do anything, just you have to give def index underscore view. The first argument is request. Inside you have to, return. Either return ఎక్కడ మిస్టేక్ ఉంది. Return, the function is render, inside argument request, test app slash index dot html. Done. This is the code. దీనికి define one URL. Path, don't give anything empty. Empty URL you can redirect. Views dot index view. Index view, not movie. అయితే మనకి index.html page is not there. Take one index.html page. So define the URLs. Go to here, URLs. Take one empty. Don't give anything. Give the views student కాదు index underscore view from test app import views completed. ఇప్పుడు HTML మళ్ళీ స్టోరీ ఇంకోండి right click main project folder, the folder name is templates. Right click on main project, go to folder, another folder static, right click on templates, take the folder, a folder name is test app, right click on static, create the folder name is css. So idigondi static lo css, templates lo test app. Inside one HTML file, the file name is, I have to give index.html, sir. Inside CSS, take one file, the file name is edoti movie.css. Now go to settings, create the variables template underscore dir equal to static underscore dir. In this template dir, go to the last, static files underscore dirs settings are ready. ఇప్పుడు ఇంకా మనకి HTML file code. HTML percentage load statics are links bootstrap లేదా inside body div tag center h1 tag Sunny movies paragraph tag. Inside I want to provided up to date movies information. Okay, done. Two buttons are required. Anchor tag. Now whatever is given is add sir. Next one uh, button కాదు sorry list of movies. Now server is started. Copy the address. Go to the browser. Paste it. Click on enter. Sunny movies. Up to date movies information. Add and list is available. But no. Take the class here. One. Save. Come here. Here. Refresh. Add and list of movies are available there. అయితే go to this. Here I have to give body background color red. ఇంకేమన్నాయా ఇంకేం లేవు కదా యాంకర్ ట్యాక్స్ అలాంటివి ఏమి ఇమేజా ఇమేజ్ అంటే ఇప్పుడు దేనికి దానికి ఇమేజ్ బాగుంటుంది దీనికి బ్యాక్గ్రౌండ్ సరే ఇస్తా లేదోటి ఏం చేయాలి ఇప్పుడు లింక్ చేయాలి గో టు దేర్ లింక్ గివ్ ద curling brace percentage static css movie dot css. Now నీకు నచ్చింది సన్నీ మూవీస్ అప్ టు డేట్ ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ యాడ్ అండ్ లిస్ట్ కేమ్ ఇప్పుడు which code you can require index.html code you want. Completed. Sir, next one function I can implemented small thing that is list movies. List movies is very simple. Insertion means it will take some time. So here two functionalities are there. One is add, second one is list. Present in my table, there is no movies, zero movies. So once I click on list button, I want to display message. There is no movies. So once you click on this means who is responsible? View only. Create a small view to read the data from the database. How to read the data from the database? One command is there. What is the command? Def. Function name is list underscore movies. Inside request. Yeah, tell how to read the all movies from the database. Objects dot all. What is your model name? Movie dot objects dot all is the function. Stored into variable. What is the variable? Movie underscore list. If objects is there, it is reading. Otherwise, empty list. No problem. But it is available in from test app models import. What I can import? Movie. Movies a movie. మూవీనే కదా మరి మూవీస్ ఎందుకు వచ్చింది అది సారీ ఇంకా ఉందిగా సార్ దిస్ వన్ ఐ హ్యావ్ టు రిటర్న్ వాట్ ఇస్ ద ఫంక్షన్ రెండర్ రిక్వెస్ట్ టెస్ట్ యాప్ స్లాష్ లిస్ట్ మూవీస్ డాట్ HTML. Create dictionary. What is the key? Movie list. What is the value? Same movie list. So this dictionary I'm sending there. From this key, I'm reading the data in HTML file. Index.html. No. Index.html is responsible just to display the two buttons. Now I have to create one HTML file. In this HTML file, I have to display the movies information table and all the things, not index. Sir, create one HTML file. That file name is what it is, list movies.html. Inside you have to display your movies. So under test app, right click, new file, movies list. Take HTML code. First one you have to go with curling brace, percentage, load static, links, that one, this one common. Sir, now the body, how to display the movies, curling brace. What is the condition? If what is the variable coming from the views.py? Movie list. If movie underscore list. If it is contain any movies, take H1 tag. I have to display movies list in the form of table. Take the table in inside, go to the table head. Inside you have to go th first release date. Next table head movie names are. Next table head hero. Next table head heroine. Next table head rating. So I have to go in the table border equal to 2 pixels. So now table head is completed. I want to display each and every movie. How to read the movie? By using for loop. For each movie in, what is the variable? Movie underscore list. If it is available there, first tr table row, I have to display what is the first td table content, curling brace, curling brace. What is the reference variable? Movie dot, what is the column? R date. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Second one is movie names are. Third one, hero. Fourth one, heroine. Last one, rating. So if movies are there, it will be displayed. Compulsory close the end for percentage, end for loop. Table closes. అసలు first if condition movies are not there, go with curling brace, else. I have to display one paragraph. No movies found. Now, no movies found. End if. Save this. Now, for this view, this is the view name, list movies view. One URL is compulsory. Movie list, views dot, what is our view name? List underscore movies view. See the server is ready. Come to here, refresh. Once it is there, if I clicking on the list of movies, am I getting the no movies found? Because in the database, there is no movies. So automatically, which will execute? Else block. Am I getting no movies found? Once I place there, what it is pointing? Hash symbol. Ante, once you click it, see the URL, it is pointing to hash. The reason is the index.html page, they have to pointing to which one? Hash symbol. So what is the H reference you have to give? What is your URL? Movie list. Now save this. Come to here. First refresh. List movies. Is it pointing to movies list? Then automatically that function executed. No movies found. Manual go movie enter cheyandi. Asla actual ga no need to add manually. But just understand purpose, I'm entering manually. So today, movie name, Ashiki 3, hero, heroine, and rating date. Save that movie. Movie is added. Come to here, refresh. Movie name came. So like that, in the center, enter, all these are your wish. Those are common only. We have to display. So my thing is, I can provided there is no movies kabatti M2 movies displayed, but I'm entering manually. No need to enter manually. For your functionality, I created one button. Once click on this, display model form. From the form, enter data and display. That one you have to try. This is the list movies code. We are using CSS files now. That's why we are using load static. So దీనికి one URL. After that URL you can mention into index.html file. So if you're okay, you can try with that add functionality. How to add the movies by using the form? You can try it. Tomorrow I will explain that concept. Okay. Who are completed, guys? You can carry on. urls.py file. One URL is required for that. Online guys, bye everyone.
Recording stopped.